guys, welcome back to another episode of POPxo Makeup Masterclass. And in today's episode, I'm going to show you how to do this brown smoky eye with a pop of silver. So let's not waste any more time and get right into the video. That was it for the video, guys. I hope you liked it. Let me know what you thought about this look in the comment section below. And for more such videos, you know what to do. Like, share and subscribe to POPxo Daily. Bye.
Press the bell icon to never miss a video from POPxo Daily.